babies all over the map.
Babies.
So I don't know, it's 6 o'clock. Lavin, do you think we should page him overhead, or what do you want to do?
You know what, I'd give him another minute. I mean, I know, it is 6. I told him 6. That's what time the meeting's supposed to start. You know what?
5 hours later.
Oh, forget it.
No, wait, did you go see that movie?
We did. It was so much fun last night. We had a great
Oh my gosh.
Well,
My
welcome,
husband-
ladies.
Hi, Lavin, Dennis.
Yeah,
How are
good
you
morning.
guys?
We've been waiting.
Is
Oh, yeah?
Sarah not coming? I thought Sarah was a part of this meeting.
You know, I think she was at that coffee station down there getting her.
Yeah. Well, I'm just not sure about that right now.
I'm sure Sarah's coming.
Oh,
Hey guys, I'm here. Sorry, I hit snooze one too many times. Had to hit the coffee shop.
I've been here about 15 minutes.
Oh,
I
I'm
really
so
just
sorry.
want to make sure that this meeting, that we're prepared, we're ready to go. Well, I'm glad that we're all around the table now, and I just wanted to tell you, Evan, how much I really appreciate you taking the lead and getting this meeting set up for all of us. And I was wondering, how is the mentorship with Loretta going? You know, honestly, I think Loretta would say the same thing, but I think it's going well. I mean, we've reviewed several of the essential functions. At this time, I feel comfortable. I feel really good with Loretta. Yeah, I agree. It's been wonderful having someone with so much knowledge about not just the operations of the hospital, but the hospital itself. It's wonderful.
And I can't deny the fact that you like me. Right now. You like me.
Is there any aspects of the mentorship that we should improve upon, or do you see as opportunities as improvement for the future? We're going to do this with somebody else? You know, honestly, if I were going to give some input, I would say that program Excel, I think isn't that the program that utilizes the macro functions?
Yes, that's definitely.
Okay. I thought so, but wanted to be sure.
Technology!
So I think if we could clean up some of those reports, I think that would be really good. I agree. That's a struggle.
Macros are pretty tricky when you have to try to blend 2 data sets together. So would it be helpful, do you both think about potentially scheduling some additional time with IT for training?
Okay, how about the word dugout?
Since you guys all agree, will you get that set
Yep,
up,
I'll
Sarah?
work on the ticket right now.
That would be wonderful.
Well, I just would like to thank Lavin for all the time and effort she put into the mentorship program with Loretta, and I think she's going to come out of it as a better employee for our hospital family. So thank you very much.
You're welcome. And
Right.
I'd like to thank you, Loretta, for being transparent through this whole process and working with all of us to make it better. Oh, certainly. It's been
Thank
my
you both.
pleasure. Great job, everybody.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for coming.
Meeting adjourned.
Bye, guys.
2-minute meeting.
There you go, champ. I don't know what this is for. Don't you need a trophy anytime you